Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a fun Dollar Tree DIY project for you. We're going to be making a glam tray, and this is going to be like a vanity tray or a coffee table tray. And so what you'll need is you're going to need one of these 11 by 14 picture frames or photo frames from Dollar Tree. You're going to need one of these, or you're going to need two of these actually. These little stands here from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some diamond wrap and a spray paint of your choice. I'm using silver, but you can use whatever color you like. Also going to be using some E6000. You're going to need 4 of these little glass beads or glass gemstones. You can pick these up in a bag at Dollar Tree. You may need a utility knife or a pair of scissors. You're going to need some wire cutters to cut these, because I'm going to be using this to make the handles for the tray. And then you're going to need some hot glue. And you may use hot glue for the diamond wrap, or you could use E6000 if you wanted to use that, or if you have some tacky glue, you can also use that as well. But these are the items that you're going to need to create the beautiful glam tray that we're going to get started on. So let's get started. Okay, and so this is really going to be super simple. I'm going to take this entire thing out and spray paint it with the silver. I'm not going to tape anything off because I'm going to be spray painting both the frame and the glass. And once this is all dry, I'm going to pop this out and I'm going to flip the glass over so that the painted side will be face down, and then the painted surface will be protected because it will be upside down, but you'll get all that nice reflective silver quality on the glass. And so once I've done that and it's all dry, then I'll come back and we can get started assembling the glam tray. And so you just want to bend these like this, just back and forth, and you'll hear them snap. Grab it here, and then I'm just going to bend it just like that. So you need a good sturdy pair of these. Just like that. I'm just going to grab it here. Do the same thing. Just back and forth. Okay, now this is all dry, so I'm going to go ahead and pop this glass out of here, and then I'm going to start wrapping this frame with my diamond wrap. Okay, and so I have some hot glue here. And so I'm just going to run a little bead of hot glue down inside this channel, and then I'm going to be applying the diamond wrap inside that channel. And there you go. Now you can use E6000 on this, or you can use hot glue as I've done. Isn't that gorgeous? This is really beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to pop this glass in that's been painted silver. I'm just going to flip it over like that and get it cleaned up, and then we'll go ahead and start getting the tray itself assembled. Now I'm going to take these little gemstones here, the little glass beads, and I'm going to glue each one of them into the bottom here, into a corner here with hot glue. And so these will serve as like just a little bit of elevation on the tray. And so I'm just going to put just one little bead of hot glue on there. I'm just going to prop that into place. Okay, and so I've got this turned upside down on a bowl here just to give me a little bit of elevation so I can put the handles on. And so I'm just going to first start by putting a little bit of this E6000 glue right here. Just a bead. I'm going to put that into place right where I want the handles to go. And then I'm going to come in with my hot glue and just going to brace it into position. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.